Hello, everyone. I'm Tom Barron from Proximity Learning, and this is Canvas in a Minute. Today, we're going to learn how you can find your full course name for a class in Canvas, because usually you'll see these three dots, and it's hard to copy and paste the whole name. So you want to click on Courses, and click on whichever course you need to see. I'll pick one of my new ones. On the home page, you can see the full course name here up top. So you're going to want to highlight that, copy it, and you can paste it in whatever correspondence you're using. If it's email, chat with tech support, wherever you need it. So again, you're going to click on Courses, click on the course name. On the home page at the top, you'll see the full class name. Great. Hope this helped. See you next time. Bye-bye.